Hi friends, welcome back to Tintuzlife. Today I have come up with a video tutorial on how to add cards to YouTube videos. So if you want to know how the YouTube card looks like, just click on the I button above where you get a list of websites, videos and playlists pop up. YouTube has said that these cards are eventually going to replace annotations entirely. So if you aren't using these YouTube cards yet, here's how to do it. To find the YouTube cards, first you have to go to your channel. There in your channel, you get the option for Customize Channel and YouTube Studio Beta, from where you have to go to YouTube Studio Beta. And you will be driven to an interface like this where you get options for dashboard, videos, analytics, etc. So just hit on this videos option. When you hit it, you can see the videos that you have uploaded so far and also the various details of it. From that list, you can select the video in which you want to add the card. I have selected my latest upload. And when you scroll down, you get the option for cards and also end screen. So I'm going to tell you how to insert the cards. When you select the cards, again you will be going through an interface like this where your video will be playing on one side and there you get the option for add card on the other side. When you click the add card, you have different options which are popping up in that. From there, I'm going to select the video and playlist. From there, initially I'm going to insert a playlist. So select the particular playlist that you want to insert to your video. So I have decided to select the Songs Unlimited playlist. After selecting that, you can click the Create Card. Then you can come back to your video. Then select the position where you want to keep this particular card. You can move that card to any point. And you have the options for channel, poll, everything under this add card where you can promote others' channel and also your website also you can promote. So nextly I'm going to show you how to insert a particular video. For this, from the option of uploads, you can select that particular video. And it's not advisable to keep these cards too close to each other. So you can place it in another position by dragging that pointer. In this add card option, you can add nearly 5 cards to your videos. And the biggest benefit these cards has over annotations is that they work across the screens and they also work on mobile devices. So it's actually a great option. So again, I have decided to upload one more card, that is 3 cards I'm going to insert in my video. And that's it. I have selected this particular video and then create card. Then you can place it in any position of your video. Nextly, I'm going to create a poll. In this section, you can ask any question to your subscribers. So my poll question is, was this video interesting? And down you get the poll choices also. So I have decided to give yes or no. So this option 1 I'm going to give yes and the next one I'm going to give no. After that, there is another chances for giving the options also, and then you can create the poll. That one also, it's better to add towards the end of the video so that after watching your video, your subscribers can give you the feedback. And And that's it. So we have done with adding the cards to our videos. So we can just move back to our channel and check whether it works properly. For that, you can return to your YouTube studio. From there, you can return to your channel. Select the particular video in which you have inserted all these cards. Just see to yourself how these cards have been added to your videos. So here comes our first card that is suggested. It's the Songs Unlimited, which is the first card that we have inserted. By this, you can scroll and check whether these cards have been added properly. So this is all about adding cards to your videos, and if you found this video helpful, make sure that you hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe, and see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.